What's up, everybody? So right now, apparently we are parked at McDonald's. I don't know. Apparently there's this new sandwich we haven't tried, which you'll see it's right up here, the picture. It's the new chicken sandwich. Apparently what they have, it's similar to Chick-fil-A. And so, I don't know. We're just going to try it. It's a good deal. And then all of a sudden, like, I was just like, I told my daughter that let's go try it. It's 2 for $3. It comes with 2 of them. I guess they're 2 different ones, and we'll give it the difference on both of them. But we'll see. I don't know. Chick-fil-A still wins the chicken sandwich, breakfast chicken sandwich. So let's see what McDonald's has to bring. So we're here at McDonald's. This is my assistant. This is, I don't know if you guys heard of that TV show Binky and the Brain. That's the brain. I'm Binky.
It's like
1920s. Look at that. We're McDonald's action right there. There's too many cars. Anyway, I'll have to probably pause you guys because I'm not going to be sitting here waiting like 3 hours or 2 hours for this sandwich to come through. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Wait.
I don't know, what is it with McDonald's? Something about their food, whatever chemicals they put in there, they make you want to come back. Anyway, if you guys don't even know it, there's food in there. It seems like it has something that makes you want to come back. It's pretty good. Even though it gives you a heart attack, might kill you, depending how much you eat. But I don't even know where this food comes from. Anyway, it's still good. Once in a while, it's not going to kill you. It's kind of like if you eat one salad, it's not going to get you healthy. So obviously, you want to balance both. Can I get the 2 for $3 chicken, the breakfast sandwich?
The McChicken and the McDouble?
The one, the chicken McGriddle?
The chicken McGriddle? You want 2 of those?
Can I mix them?
You want one chicken biscuit and one McChicken McGriddle?
Yes.
Anything else for you?
And a cup of water, please.
Alright, anything else?
No, that's it. I just want water because I'm cutting.
Alright, that'll be $3.30 at the first window. Thank you.
Alright. That's pretty cheap. $3.30. If I were to go to Chick-fil-A right now, it's like $4 or $5 for a sandwich.
But they're good.
Alright, I'm trying the McGriddle. You're trying the biscuit.
I don't like biscuit.
Just try the biscuit. I'll do the McGriddle. I'll let you bite it. We'll switch it. And I don't even have coupons today. Anyway. We're in California. It's about 77 degrees.
Viva Las Vegas.
I don't like
You
it.
can't even see it, huh?
It's my wife's. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I was gonna tell you something.
I'm so beautiful.
So apparently, I was on my way to the gym. As soon as I parked there, and I just went in and I just worked out.
Cool, buddy.
Every time I come to this location, the one in Downey, off Corner and Firestone and Rives, there's always traffic. What time is it right now? 3 o'clock. So usually right now, this is probably lunchtime. We're having breakfast right now. You know who had breakfast too? Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box, I think,
I don't like
personally,
Jack in the Box. The only thing I like from there is their tacos.
their tacos and the curly fries. You know, we should do a challenge where we try every fries that we got from every place. McDonald's, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Carl's Jr. I don't know. You guys have to comment on the bottom whether you guys want us to try a certain amount.
We have to do at least another challenge this week when Katie's here, because this is the last week of summer break, and then what's today, Wednesday? Next Wednesday we go back to school, so we have to do another challenge. We should do one on Friday. Oh no, Saturday.
I don't know yet.
Since Katie's here, so it's gonna be actually.
Bam, we're live. I want some camera action. Oh my. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. at that receipt. Let it focus. Whatever. Do you have like any salsa that goes with this, or any type of like?
You get a biscuit.
Yeah, and mcgriddle. Oh, you know what? Can I get
Mexican salsa?
that and some ranch? Let me try that out. I don't know. I think chicken goes with everything. Thank you. That's a good one.
Right.
Look at that. Some ranch in my breakfast sandwich. Look at that. Put it closer. Let it see it.
Why?
Let it see it.
Doesn't matter.
I know, but show it.
We're gonna go park. He left.
Oh,
Some
there you go.
ranch.
Oh, shit. What's wrong with you?
A lot of things.
Alrighty. Give me two.
This one is it smells like pancakes,
Look at that.
but I
Look at that.
don't know. It just, it burns. Oh my gosh, it burned my leg.
Look at that.
Okay. It smells like pancakes.
It flaps. Look at that. You see? Show 'em.
Oh, my okay, this is like
That biscuit. Open it. Show 'em.
hurts.
Show 'em at the same time. Hold on.
It's hot.
Just hold it.
No,
Hold it at the same
I want
time.
to, I don't
Come on.
want to.
Real quick. Get the camera. Look at that. Look at there's a McDonald's sign right there.
Okay.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh, no, it's hot.
Look at that. Look at that. McGriddle biscuit.
How am I gonna use this?
Alright. Do you want to switch or you want this one instead?
I want that one.
Alright. Do that.
This looks like pancakes.
Let me try.
Is it pancakes? I think it is. Oh my gosh, it's pancakes.
That's what I just said. McGriddle is a pancake. I think
did-
it was.
I didn't know that.
Let me try that one.
Oh, it tastes like a corn dog. I don't like
Mhm.
corn dogs. I need salsa.
Look at that.
It tastes like the corn dog bread. That's what the pancakes.
I don't know what it is, but I like condiments in my food. Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that.
I don't like the bread.
It's decent.
Hot.
Cold.
Let me try that one.
Hold on. Look at that. What happened? No, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Not yet. Don't give him the surprise yet. Just wait. Just wait. I got something for him. I got something for him. Hold on.
No, can I try yours?
Yeah, go for it. Take it.
Okay. I need salsa. Take that. This one's way better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's that noise? Oh, damn. I know what it's calling us. So, this is an intro. Look at that. Where's his cousin at?
His cousin?
Yeah. Go get his cousin. Are you eating my sandwich? Let's see if this tastes good. You literally ate half my sandwich.
Here, you have his cousin.
Por si acaso quieres regresar, te voy a esperar. Te voy a esperar.
So I don't know what it is. Every time I get the salsa, it causes bad. So I'm gonna stop tapatio. Remember, Valentino only for eggs. This is for everything else. When I feel like the sandwich is not good. You literally ate half of my sandwich.
I'm not even eating the bread because the bread tastes like corn dog bread, and I hate corn dogs. It's disgusting.
I'm gonna tell you this. What if I compare it to Chick-fil-A? Sorry, McDonald's, but Chick-fil-A still takes the lead when it comes to their sandwich because I don't know what this is. I noticed with Chick-fil-A, they give you chicken breast in there. So,
I'm just eating chicken.
this is a biscuit with like they seem like they use the same chicken, the breaded chicken, the piece
From
of
the
meat in
chicken
here
sandwich.
from the regular chicken sandwiches. And they just substituted with the bread of the biscuit. I think that's what they're doing. That's all.
Chicken nugget.
As far as this one too,
So, I mean, what?
so as far as this one, it just seems like they just on the since they already have McGriddles, all they did is just took out the patty, the sausage patty, and substituted
Watch,
with chicken.
try it. Doesn't it taste like corn dog bread?
No, it's pancake.
Just try it. It tastes like corn dog bread.
Mm.
I don't like it. I want the ranch.
There's like
Ew. You see? Ew.
There's a person next to us eating a sandwich too. Seems like she's eating chicken sandwich. There's no bread. Apparently, she's like one of those girls that like don't eat carbs. I don't know. It's like a post workout. Seems like there's no dressing in it. So, for all you out there that has like the no carb thing, I think maybe you want to go a little deeper into when it comes to nutrition science. You need carbs. And carbs is your energy source. Gives you energy. Anyway,
Because I'm cutting.
I'll give it a 3. Sorry, McDonald's. Chick-fil-A still takes the chicken sandwich.
I'll give it like a -3.
But for the price, for 2 for $3,
That's because they taste weird. Give me some water. Give me some water action.
okay.
Just kidding.
Okay, I'm gonna take a nap now. Sandwich, I didn't like it. I'm still hungry. Might want to go to another drive-thru and get
I know.
something else.
Can you give me food, like a little snack? Because I only ate the chicken. I'm probably gonna eat more when I get home.
Comment, subscribe, like, and tell us what you think of the sandwich because I think it was boo-boo da foo. Anyway,
I don't like it.
peace out, guys.